When it comes to clothes, one can only have so many. Personally, I will wear the same outfit in a week, but I don't think there's anything wrong with that, as long as you always style it up with different accessories and footwear, and I'm gonna show you how. My favorite accessory to invest in is a statement bag. Compact bags are so in right now, the smaller the better. And we also have the belt bag, which is so on trend right now, and it's perfect for weekends and girls' night out. Just like statement bags, a pair of unique shoes can elevate your style, just like these sassy boots. Also on trend right now are these K-pop chunky trainers, which I love because they boost my height. On some days when you just want to wear a simple outfit, don't be afraid to wear bold earrings to jazz it up. There are no rules when it comes to fashion, and remember to always put your best life forward.
Get 25% off on ZALORA with promo code STYLEMENOW.